Hello my lovely people, happy Sunday and welcome back to Chummy Kitchen. You know Sundays in Nigerian homes are for rice, no argument about that. It could be jollof rice, fried rice or plain rice with stew. But today we are going classic with white rice and goat meat stew for a family of 4. Who else is team rice every Sunday? Come along, let's make this delicious Sunday special together. First, I'll be washing the meat I'll be using for the stew. I'm using goat meat here. So what I just did is I added some salt, then water, then I'll wash for about 3 to 4 times or until the water runs clear. Just wash your meat thoroughly. Please feel free to use any protein of your choice. You can use fish, you can use beef, any protein of your choice, even chicken. I'm done with the washing. So next, in a clean pot, I'll go in with the washed goat meat, add some onions, rosemary, thyme, salt, shallot, seasoning cubes, scotch bonnet pepper, then mix them together to combine. Cover the pot, let it cook for about 5 minutes with its own juice. After 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. I will just stir because this is a female goat meat, so it takes time to cook. So I'll add more water. Then cover the pot, let it cook for another 20 minutes. Here is me blending my tomato. Next, in that same blender, without rinsing it, I'll add my ginger, garlic and onion. Then add little water, then blend it. You can also choose to slice your onions. That is perfect. I just wanted to clear my blender. That is why I blended the onion and the ginger and garlic. Next, I will check on the meat after 30 minutes. I allowed it to cook longer because this is a female goat meat, so it takes longer to cook. It's done, so I took it off the stove. Next, in a clean dry pot, I added some carrot oil, let it heat up for a few minutes. Added the blended onion, ginger and garlic, then stir, fry it for a few minutes, then went in with some tomato. If you want to see how I made the carrot oil, the video will pop up at the end of this video, so click on it to watch using just fresh tomato. Then I'll mix that together. Cover the pot and let it fry for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what it looks like, and I'll give it a quick stir. Next, I'll add my bay leaf, some seasoning, rosemary, thyme, curry, shallot, seasoning cubes, then mix together to combine thoroughly. Cover the pot and let it fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'll go in with my scotch bonnet pepper, blended scotch bonnet pepper, then mix that to combine. Cover the pot and let it fry for about 2 minutes. Next, I'll add my already cooked goat meat and stock. Then I'll rinse the pot with some water, add it back to the stew. Then I will mix to combine. A warm welcome to my old and my new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for the like, the share, the comments. I really appreciate you all. God bless. Cover the pot and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'll give it a nice stir, then taste and adjust for salt if needed. You see this method I used to add salt. Please do not try it if you don't know how to control salt, or else your stew will come out salty. Just use spoon and scoop the amount that you want, please. Cover the pot and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is what it looks like. I just gave it a nice stir, and that's it. Our delicious goat meat fresh tomato stew is ready. I'm boiling some white rice, so let's check on the white rice now to see if it is dry. As you can see, it's dry and is ready. If you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please like this video, share this video. Thank you. I'm having my delicious goat meat stew with some white rice and some plantain, and it bangs. Tell me, will you be trying this recipe with the upper Sunday, as in the Sunday that is coming? If yes, please share your thoughts in the comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.